Okay, so what we're making here is an edit poly tower, and we're using a box as the starting point. So we just draw our box. We can modify its parameters coming through here if we'd like, but what I'm going to do is just add an edit poly to this box. You'll need to add some segments to yours. We need about 3 segments. So then we add an edit poly through the modifier stack. So just type in ed and your edit poly will come up, and we want to go to our edges. So just select the edge, double click, and then highlight your Z. You can move that up. Edge, double click, move that one down. I might actually just move these as well so that it's you get better visibility. So what that's doing is it's selecting a loop of edges. Okay, what we can also do now is to move through our selections using the number keys if we like. So if I press 4, the polygons will come up, and if I select that polygon and hold down Shift, I can use the new Smart Extrude, which will allow me to make a nice big hole in my box. So what I want to do now is I want to be able to bridge, like I've done in this box, between these 2 internal faces. But to do that, I'm going to need some more internal faces to bridge between. So I need to go back to my edge selection, which I think is 2, and I need to select just one click, holding down Control, and holding down Control, picking up these verticals on facing verticals essentially, and then we're going to go to a command that's not particularly I don't sort of think of it as a particularly intuitive command, but we go to our connect, and if I zoom in a bit, didn't choose a very good color for my object, but you can see that it's inserting some edges in there. So I can increase those edges. Let's say I do 4 edges, and other things that you can do in here. This is not a particularly great place to see it because of the pink and the red, but you can see I can change the location of those edges in relation to each other. Just bring that back to 0, and then I can press tick. All right, so that's given me more internal faces, and what I can do now, just press 4 and I can select a face here, and holding down Control, select another face on the other side. So I can bridge between these using the bridge command here under Edit Poly, and I probably also want to go to the settings because I've got a lot more control there. Coming in here and it'll start to bridge. I probably want to increase my bridge segments so that I've got more control there. I can put some twist on that if I want to. And I can also change, let's see what else I can do. I can make it bulge or sort of squeeze in together. And there's a bunch of other kind of fun aspects that you can have a play with in there. So I just recommend having a bit of play with it, and yeah, that's kind of, these things here are really really useful tools in terms of modeling with Edit Poly. Great, thank you.